Imagine looking up at the night sky and witnessing a celestial spectacle that's been journeying towards us for millions of years. 5 years ago, in 2017, scientists directed the Hubble Space Telescope toward a dark patch of space beyond our solar system. What they discovered was extraordinary, an 18-kilometer-wide comet making its way towards Earth. This comet, named Comet C/2017 K2 or simply K2, is one of the farthest active comets ever detected. K2 will pass closest to Earth on July 14, 2022, coming within 168 million miles or 270 million kilometers of our planet. Given the buzz around this comet, you might be wondering if you can see it from where you are, the best times to observe it, and whether it can be seen with the naked eye. Let's dive into all these details. If you've never seen a comet before, this is an event you don't want to miss. K2 was first spotted while it was lurking between Saturn and Uranus, about 1.49 billion miles from the Sun, which is 16 times farther than Earth's distance from the Sun, originating from the Oort Cloud, a spherical shell of icy objects at the edge of our solar system. K2 has been traveling for millions of years. The Oort Cloud is a remnant from the formation of the solar system 4.6 billion years ago and is home to hundreds of billions of comets. As K2 moved closer to the Sun, it started to develop a massive dust cloud, or coma, almost the size of Jupiter. Comets, made mostly of frozen gases, rock, and dust, become active as they approach the Sun. The Sun's radiation heats the comet, causing its ice to turn directly into gas, forming a glowing coma around it. K2's tail could stretch up to 500,000 miles when it is closest to Earth, creating a spectacular display. Currently, K2's tail is very active, and the comet appears to be in a constant coma, continuously producing gas and dust. This sustained activity is unusual since comets typically need to be closer to the Sun to remain active. Scientists speculate that K2's activity might be driven by ice mixed with other substances, but the exact cause is still a mystery. The true size of K2 remains uncertain, with initial observations suggesting it might be up to 100 miles wide, while Hubble data suggests a more conservative 12 miles wide. To put that in perspective, it's roughly the size of two stacked Mount Everests. As we get closer to July 14, K2's closest approach to Earth, the comet will be around 168 million miles away, making any collision impossible. Now, let's talk about the best times and locations to view this comet. K2 has been growing brighter as it journeys towards the inner solar system. However, it won't get as close to the Sun as Hale-Bopp did in 1997, so it won't be as easily visible. K2 might brighten to magnitude 8 or possibly 7, but it will still be too faint to see without a telescope. A small telescope should suffice, but the darker the sky, the better the visibility. At magnitude 9, it's faintly visible from rural skies with a 4.5-inch telescope. In areas with more light pollution, a 6-inch telescope is recommended for a clear view. The best viewing window for K2 is from an hour after local sunset until about 3 in the morning. Look around the Ophiuchus constellation. Apps with star maps can help locate it. From May to September, K2 can be seen with small telescopes from the northern hemisphere. After mid-September, it will be closer to the southwestern horizon. On December 19, 2022, K2 will be closest to the Sun. In 2023, it will be best viewed from the southern hemisphere, near the constellation Pavo. An hour after sunset. Our understanding of Comet K2 may change as it gets closer to the Sun. The Sun often affects comets unpredictably, sometimes making them brighter or causing them to break apart. Astronomers are keenly observing what will happen to K2 in 2022 and beyond. Comets are among the most awe-inspiring celestial events to observe, as they travel vast distances through the solar system and sometimes even the galaxy. The journey of K2 is no exception, as it provides an opportunity for scientists to study a comet that has traveled from the distant Oort Cloud. This region, a vast shell surrounding our solar system, is believed to be the birthplace of many comets that occasionally get nudged toward the inner solar system. The Oort Cloud's comets are remnants from the early solar system, making them invaluable to our understanding of its formation and evolution. As K2 travels closer to the Sun, it will continue to heat up, causing more of its icy nucleus to sublimate and produce the spectacular tail that comets are known for. The process of sublimation, where solid ice turns directly into gas, creates the bright, glowing coma and the long, trailing tail. This tail can provide scientists with important information about the composition of the comet, as different materials sublimate at different distances from the Sun. While most comets follow predictable orbits, K2's journey has been particularly intriguing due to its prolonged activity at such a great distance from the Sun. Typically, comets do not become active until they are much closer. This anomaly has led scientists to hypothesize about the composition of K2 and the possibility of different volatile materials within it. Understanding these materials can provide insights into the conditions of the early solar system. The observation of K2 also allows scientists to test their theories about the dynamics of comets and their interactions with the solar wind. The solar wind, a stream of charged particles emanating from the Sun, interacts with the comet's coma and tail, influencing their shape and direction. By studying these interactions, astronomers can learn more about the properties of the solar wind and its effects on celestial bodies. On the night of July 14, when K2 makes its closest approach to Earth, it will be a prime opportunity for both professional astronomers and amateur stargazers to observe this celestial traveler. Despite being far from the Sun, the comet's bright coma and tail should provide a beautiful sight through telescopes. For those with the right equipment, capturing images or even conducting spectral analysis can contribute to the collective knowledge about K2. For those without telescopes, there are still ways to participate in the excitement. Many observatories and astronomy clubs offer public viewing events, providing access to telescopes and expert guidance. Additionally, live streams and online resources from space agencies like NASA can offer virtual views and detailed information about the comet. The journey of K2 is not just a scientific curiosity but a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our solar system. Comets like K2 have been witnessing the evolution of the solar system for billions of years, and each one carries with it a piece of that history. As we watch K2's journey, we are not just observing a distant object in the sky, but connecting with the ancient past and the vastness of space. This event also underscores the importance of continued investment in space observation technologies, such as the Hubble Space Telescope and its successors. These instruments allow us to detect and study distant objects with unprecedented clarity, expanding our understanding of the universe. The discoveries they enable inspire curiosity and wonder, driving the next generation of scientists and explorers. So, mark your calendars for July 14, 2022, and take a moment to look up at the sky. Whether you're peering through a telescope or following along online, you'll be part of a shared human experience, marveling at a celestial visitor from the distant reaches of our solar system. The story of Comet K2 is still unfolding, and who knows what new discoveries and insights it will bring as it continues its journey. Remember to share your observations and experiences with fellow enthusiasts and contribute to the broader community of sky watchers. Together, we can deepen our understanding and appreciation of these awe-inspiring celestial phenomena. As we continue to explore and discover, let Comet K2 remind us of the vast, wondrous universe we inhabit and the many mysteries yet to be unveiled. Imagine the thrill of watching Comet K2 as it makes its closest approach to Earth, knowing that you are witnessing a moment in history. The excitement builds as you set up your telescope, eagerly anticipating the first glimpse of the comet's bright coma and spectacular tail. As you peer through the eyepiece, the distant traveler comes into view, a glowing beacon in the night sky. The sense of wonder and connection to the cosmos is profound. Comet K2's journey offers a rare opportunity to reflect on the enormity of the universe and our place within it. Each comet that graces our skies serves as a reminder of the countless wonders that lie beyond our reach, waiting to be discovered. The vast distances these celestial bodies travel, the mysteries they carry, and the stories they tell about the origins of our solar system captivate our imagination and fuel our desire to explore. As Comet K2 continues its journey, it becomes a symbol of endurance and resilience. Traveling from the distant Oort Cloud, this comet has withstood the test of time and the harsh conditions of space. Its journey mirrors the human spirit of exploration and the quest for knowledge. Just as K2 has traveled for millions of years to reach our skies, humanity has spent millennia seeking to understand the universe and our place in it. The study of comets like K2 not only enhances our scientific knowledge but also enriches our cultural heritage. Throughout history, comets have been regarded with awe and fascination, inspiring myths, legends, and artistic expressions. Today, as we observe K2 through the lens of modern science, we continue this tradition of wonder and curiosity, adding new chapters to the scientific understanding. Each observation brings us closer to answering fundamental questions about our origins and the mechanics of our cosmic neighborhood. As we peer through telescopes and capture images of K2, we are not just looking at a distant comet but also engaging with the universe's grand narrative. These observations help us comprehend the processes that shaped our solar system and the ongoing dynamics that influence its evolution. K2's appearance is a vivid reminder of the beauty and complexity of our universe. It stimulates our imagination, inviting us to ponder what other secrets the cosmos holds. Such events are crucial in promoting scientific literacy and inspiring the next generation of astronomers, physicists, and space enthusiasts. Moreover, the collective experience of observing K2 brings together people from around the globe, united by their curiosity and wonder. This shared experience fosters a sense of global community, emphasizing that no matter where we are, we all belong to the same vast universe. In the coming months and years, astronomers will continue to study K2, tracking its path and analyzing the data collected during its passage. These efforts will undoubtedly lead to new discoveries, enhancing our understanding of comets and their role in the cosmic ecosystem. As Comet K2 makes its journey past Earth, take the time to look up and marvel at this ancient traveler. Whether through a telescope, a live stream, or simply by following updates from space agencies, let yourself be captivated by the splendor of K2. Allow this celestial event to reignite your sense of wonder and remind you of the incredible universe we are a part of. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, comets like K2 are the storytellers, weaving narratives of creation, journey, and transformation. By observing K2, we become part of its story, adding our chapter to the ongoing exploration of space. As K2 fades into the distance, remember that each comet, star, and planet we study brings us closer to the stars, unveiling the mysteries of the universe one discovery at a time.